Today we're making a phone stand out of acrylic. I started off by designing it in CorelDRAW, making sure everything looks right, and then I set it up in LightBurn. I'll show you the settings I used for the cutting and the engraving and how it all comes together. Stick around, this one's pretty cool. This expert tip comes to you from MaxLaser Academy. Here I am in CorelDRAW working on the phone stand design. On the first version, the background engraves and the flowers stay white. Now I'm inverting it so the flowers engrave instead. To do that, I switch the base layer to black and the top layer to white, and then group them together. That way you can see both options side by side. One with the background engraved and one with the flowers engraved. And remember, the black areas are what the laser will engrave. Here we are in LightBurn, and I'm using the machine's camera again to align the design with the acrylic. My engraving speed is set to 1000 and the power is 23 with air assist off. My cut speed is 15 and the power is 75, also with air assist off. The reason I cut with air off is because it gives the acrylic a smoother edge, and also I had my low air assist set to 0.6 just to stop the acrylic dust from settling on the laser head. And this is the phone stand finished. I'm honestly really happy with how it turned out. It's simple, but I like it. And it was so much fun to make from start to finish. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me while I put this together. Can't wait to show you the next project. It's coming soon and I think you're gonna like it.